Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare. So for this video, we will be talking about areas and parts on the new drawing system. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to explore areas and parts inside the new drawing. You'll find this feature at the bottom left of the utility bar. It helps you organize your project efficiently by creating multiple areas and adding as many parts as you need, all within the same drawing without starting a new one each time. On the side, by clicking the plus icon, you can quickly add new areas and parts. For example, I can create a kitchen area with 3 parts: KA, KB, and KC, to design different countertop options for the same customer without using the same drawing area. Below that, I'll create a bathroom area with 3 parts: BA, BB, and BC, following the same idea. I'll add a third area called living room, and I'll also create 3 parts: LA, LB, and LC. If you need to remove something, click the trash icon. Just remember, deleting an area will also delete all the parts within it. You can rename areas and parts by clicking the pencil icon and then click Save to apply the changes. To help keep everything organized, you can also assign a color to each area. For example, a light red for bathroom and a purple for kitchen. Now let's add some countertops so you can see how it all works. I already have 2 saved in the Templates tab, so I'll use one in part BA of the bathroom area, and for the other parts, I'll use the Draw tool. In part BB, I'll draw a U-shaped countertop using the tool. And I'll use the Draw tool again for BC to create a linear countertop. As you design, you can continue adding cutouts, materials, and using the tools from the side menu to refine your project. In the kitchen area, I've already added a countertop in part KA. Now I'll use the Draw tool to create an L-shaped countertop in part KB. And in part KC, I'll add a simple linear countertop, slightly larger than the one I made in the bathroom area. These are just a few examples of how you can use areas and parts to easily manage multiple designs within the same project in the new drawing. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next tutorial, folks.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.